Please run the aval setup file in the setup folder. If the user account control window appears, click the Yes button. Please click the Install button. Please press the OK button. It is not ready from Japanese to English version, sorry. When the APX-781 setup wizard window appears, click the Next button. Here you can select the SDK installation path. Please press the Next button. When installation is complete, click the Close button. Click the Finish button to complete the installation. SDK and driver were installed properly. If the driver is not installed for reasons such as language compatibility, please install manually in the C aval data APX-781 driver path